For this video, I'll show you how to add temperature in your Instagram story. Let's dive right in. First, you have to open the Instagram app on your device. From the home screen, tap on your story in the top left corner to begin creating your story. Now you can add a photo or video to your story. Once you've selected your media, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a picture of a sticker. Then tap on the sticker icon, and then use the search box at the top to search for temperature. You'll see a variety of temperature-related options, including emojis and GIFs or GIFs with temperature bars. Select the temperature sticker or GIF you want to use and customize it as desired. You can adjust the size, rotation, and placement of the temperature sticker on your story. And once you're done, you can now post it as your story on Instagram. And that's how easy you can put a temperature sticker on your Instagram story. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.